Alright guys, Mr. Honda Mods here, just doing a quick visual inspection of my Enterprise Audi Q3. Just noticing a couple of scratches, light scratches on the bumper, no big deal. Same thing on this side as well, but back end looks great. Looking at the rear quarter, driver's side, a little scratch right here on the door. On that, a little scratch up there, but nothing, no big deal. A little scuff mark down there. Nice little scratch right there. Everything looks good over here on this panel. Hood looks great. This and that. A small little scuff right there. Hood looks good. Headlights, grill look clean. And maybe a little scuff there. And a little poop there. We don't mind the poop. We're from Rhode Island. Everything looks good though. Let's just check out the interior quick. Go to the driver's side. Make sure everything's hunky-dory here. You know, hunky-dory. Ooh. Oh, hello. That's an S-Line package. We like that. We like that a lot. Oh, hello. We have the digital cockpit. Let's see, I really can't see in here. If there's a light, maybe. There we go. Touch capacitive lights. Leather seat looks clean. See some tearing right there. No big deal. Nope, everything looks the way it should be. Check the door real quick. And I can't really notice any little sticker thing right there. Other than that, nice big back seat. Again, can't really see too much. Nice and clean, no garbage. All right. Guys, that's the visual inspection of the Audi Q3. GG.